Hello, this is a quick video to let you know there is a nutritious way you can regulate your blood pressure. Okay, before you have in the small mason jar beet juice. And the beet juice I mix with apples, blueberries, and a little honey to give it a better taste. I use 1 beetroot, okay, which can be messy, but the rewards are so good. And then in this little small pitcher, I have sorrel or hibiscus. I let the hibiscus flowers steep for 8 hours or more, I'm not sure. And I also included some cinnamon and ginger to give it a little bit more power. It has a bitter taste, but it is so nutritious for you, you'll get over it. And you can just add honey, and that makes things all better. So try this at home. This is a nice way to keep your blood pressure regulated. All right, have a nice day. Let's live healthy and happy. Bye-bye.